Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about dictionary in Python. So in the previous classes I have discussed about list, tuple and set. So we can use list, tuple and set to represent a group of individual objects as a single entity. So in a single variable you can store group of individual objects. But in dictionary, if you want to represent a group of objects as a key value pair, then you need to use dictionary. So here key value pair is nothing but, for example, roll number and name, phone number and address, IP address and domain name, like this. So it contains keys and value pairs. So here if you want to create one empty dictionary, then D is equals to flower braces. So flower braces are used to represent it is a dictionary. If you want to check the type of D, it will written it is a dict is nothing but dictionary. Okay, so next if you want to create the dictionary with elements, so there are three important ways. The first way is D is equals to, in flower braces you can represent keys and values. For example, yes number, and next here the number is 101 comma yes name ABC. Okay, like this. So here S number is key, 101 is value, S name is key, ABC is value. We all know string is represented in single quotation or double quotation. Okay. So here the keys must not be duplicated and values can be duplicated. So if you want to identify any element, then we need to use keys. Okay, for example, if you want to identify students in one classroom, if you want to uniquely identify one student, then uh, you need to use student ID. Why? Because student ID is unique. So here keys are unique. So keys not be duplicated. Values can be duplicated. Okay. So here you can store heterogeneous elements. That means different data elements. So if you print D, it will display like this. Yes, number 101. Yes, name ABC, like this. Okay. So the second way is by using dict function. Dict of a is equals to 10, comma B is equals to 20, comma C is equals to 30, like this. Okay. Next, if you print D, it will display the elements A 10, B 20, C 30. So here A, B, C are known as keys, and 10, 20, 30 are known as values. This is the second way. The next way is D of D D is equals to 40. So I'm adding one more element to dictionary. Okay. Next, D of A is equals to 50. So here A value is 10, right? But I am using same key with a different value. Let's see what happens if you print D. It will display like this. So A value is 10, but A value is changed to 50. So if the key is already there, okay. So if you want to change the value, it will change the previous key value. Why? Because keys not be duplicated. Okay. So ఇలా మనం ఒక డిక్షనరీని క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు. The next one is important functions of dictionary. So those important functions are, for example, if you want to count the number of elements, then you need to use len of d. So here it contains 4 key value pairs. Len function is used to count the number of elements. The next one is d dot pop of a. D dot pop of a. So it will delete the specific element. Okay. So pop function is used to delete the specific element, specific key element. The next one is del. So del function is also used for the same purpose. D dot del of B. D dot del of B. So del d of b. So here it is also used to delete the specific element. Okay, so pop function is used to delete specific key, and as well as del function is also used to remove specific element. And the next one is pop item. D dot pop item. So it is used to remove the last element. So whatever the last element, it will remove that element. Okay, so next D contain only one element. So next D dot clear. So clear function is used to delete the entire elements. Okay. So dictionary is now empty. Okay. So in this way we can use additions and as well as deletion functions. Okay. So next I am creating one dictionary. Okay. So D is the dictionary name. I want to add some elements. So here A. Yes. So first I am creating D is equals to dict of the elements are F is equals to 4, comma, C is equals to 3, comma, D is equals to 2, comma, V is equals to 5. Okay, so here I am creating one dictionary with some elements. Okay, so next I want to copy this dictionary into another dictionary. So if you print D, the D elements are like this. Okay, so I want to copy this dictionary to another dictionary. So F is a dictionary. Okay, I am creating one more dictionary. D dot copy. So I'm copying whatever in D into F. So F also contain the same elements. Okay, so copy function is used to copy one elements to another variable elements. Next, if you want to print only keys, then you need to use D dot keys function. D dot keys. So if you want to print only values, then D dot values of function. Okay, it will print only values. Next, if you want to print all the elements, then you need to use d dot items. D dot items. So it will print all the elements. The next one is, so D contain values like this. I want to update the value of V. So for that purpose, you need to use update function. Okay, so update V is equals to 90. V of 90. So this is dictionary, right? So that's why you need to represent in flower braces. Okay, so let's see the output D. So before V value is 5 and after updating V value is 90. Okay, so in this way you can update the elements. Okay, next if you want to print only one value from the dictionary, then you can use D of F. Okay, it will print 4, or you can use d dot get of f. D dot get of f. Okay, so get function is also used to return the specific key value. Okay, so these are the important functions of dictionary. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.